We treat ourselves to a very special break from our trip, 2 nights at the Meadowlake Ranch in Oklahoma. We actually got the tip from a travel guide.
Bitte schön, Schatz, dein Geburtstagsgeschenk.
Dankeschön, mein
Ich bin noch
Schatz.
etwas verspätet.
Ja, nu, das könnte ja noch keiner, aber
It was originally a birthday present that I gave Tommy 2 years ago. Then came this virus that thwarted all plans. But Tom and Susie, the owners of the ranch, kept our staying going and we just had to change the dates. Please understand that we don't show too many photos of the ranch. It is a private property, although it is open to visitors staying the night or having a party. But we value Tom and Susie very much and we respect the privacy of our hosts. We have moved into a beautifully furnished cabin on a lake and had wonderfully relaxed for 2 days. Unfortunately, the weather didn't play along and we experienced the thunderstorm of our lives on the second night, but nothing happened. We felt safe and protected on the ranch like an Abraham's bosom.
ja, wir haben viele Märkte. We had booked a small cowboy program that was a lot of fun even in the rain. So if you think that throwing a tomahawk, shooting with a bow and arrow, and above all, throwing a lasso is child's play, you should learn a lesson.
Die Trapper, die früher hier rübergekommen sind, ne, die haben Biber gejagt, ne, die hatten diese Biberfellmützen und die haben das benutzt für alles. Die haben damit gejagt, die haben damit das Fleisch gemacht, das Holz gehackt und die Indianer auch. Und er nimmt das, wenn er zum Camping geht.
Even a professional rodeo roper came by and to be honest, we were amazed at how skillful they are with the lasso. Hats off.
We really learned a lot that day, and at the end, Tom gave us a tour of this beautiful ranch, which he and his wife Susie have worked on and built up for over 30 years. Really a small paradise in which there is a lot of work, but also at least as much love. Tom and Susie welcomed us like family members, and folks, whoever comes near, treat yourself to at least 2 nights here. It's worth it. You can find the link to the ranch in the description. Unfortunately, we'll continue tomorrow, a laughing and a crying eye. It's just too beautiful here. And we have to say goodbye to Mr. Capone. Curious? Subscribe to our channel and don't miss a day of the journey of a life. Route 66, the trip of a lifetime. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. See you next week.